Hi, and welcome to this video on preparing your YSI ProQuatro for conductivity calibration. In this session, we'll explore why conductivity calibration is important and how it ensures accurate salinity and TDS readings. We'll go through the steps to show you how to stabilize the probe, enter the correct value, and complete the calibration so that your measurements in the field stay reliable. YSI recommends calibrating conductivity before calibrating dissolved oxygen. Conductivity strongly influences salinity corrections used in DO calculations. Calibration uses a known conductivity standard. Conductivity standards can easily become contaminated. Use fresh standards and avoid mixing with DO membranes or other chemicals. Conductivity sensors are generally very stable and may hold calibration for weeks. Best practice is to verify daily with a known standard and to recalibrate if verification is outside your defined tolerances. To begin, press the Cal key and highlight Conductivity. Then select Enter. This opens up the calibration options for the sensor. Select SPC conductance and then select the measurement you're using, in this case microsiemens per centimeter. The on-screen menu shows the calibration value, accept calibration, pressing Escape to abort, temperature, last cal, actual conductivity live readings, and status menu. Clean the probes before you do anything. For cleaning tips, please see our video on best practices for calibration. The YSI system allows for calibration in one of two ways: specific conductance or conductivity. Specific conductance is the recommended method. YSI typically recommends calibrating specific conductance at 25 degrees Celsius. Conductivity is rarely used unless the standard specifies conductivity rather than SPC. To select your calibration type, using the up and down arrows, highlight SPC conductance or conductivity and press Enter. Start by selecting a standard. To ensure the most accurate results, use a traceable standard near the typical range of your samples. Examples include 1000 microsiemens per centimeter or 1413 microsiemens per centimeter for freshwater analysis, 5000 microsiemens per centimeter for mineralized waters, and 50,000 microsiemens per centimeter or 50 millisiemens per centimeter for brackish to seawater analysis. Ensure you enter the calibration standards value in the correct units, either microsiemens per centimeter or millisiemens per centimeter when prompted. Pour enough conductivity standard into the supplied bottle and fully submerge the sensor. In a case of a calibration rig supplied by AirMet Scientific, simply use the supplied calibration solution. The electrodes are in the center of the sensor, not the tip, so ensuring there's enough solution to cover the hidden electrodes is essential. Insert the probe and gently stir to remove trapped air. Wait for temperature stabilization. The instrument will monitor the temperature and conductivity values. The calibration should not proceed until the reading is stabilized. This should take around 20 to 30 seconds. When stability is reached, highlight the calibration value and enter the exact value printed on the calibration standard label. Confirm by pressing Enter. To complete the process, highlight Accept Calibration and press Enter. If the calibration is successful, the message Calibration Successful will appear at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching our conductivity calibration video for the YSI ProQuatro. We hope this helped you understand the process and why it's important for accurate field readings. Make sure to explore our other videos in the playlist to get more tips and features that will help you get the most out of your ProQuatro. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact your local AirMet team on 1-800-000-744.